my name is Sasha Bondarev. I am a smoking pipe maker, and in this video I will show you how I work with bamboo.
First pipe makers to use bamboo were Danish craftsmen in World War II. Due to the lack of briar supply, they had to find a way to save material. But bamboo is still used because of its unique qualities. Bamboo is even much hygroscopic than briar, so bamboo pipes smoke very dry. The bamboo itself is quite strong, so even briar shank of the same thickness is easier to break. A stainless steel tube is used as the tenon. The same tube strengthens the connection between bamboo and briar. This is the bowl of one of three bamboos I make for this video. It is a blowfish. The bowl has been shaped roughly. It will change on next steps. I use the common drilling method in hands. A small pilot hole is on the end of the stumble, and the second hole is on the opposite side to put the spindle taper. This is the second pipe, a poker. Drill bit has 5 mm diameter for the steel tube. Now I put the bowl on the drill shank to turn the butt. It's ready. I remove the bowl. And put the second one. Now I turn an ebonite spacer between briar and bamboo. It has a 7 mm tenon which goes into the bamboo. I drill 5 mm bore for the steel tube, and I cut it. Here is the finished ebonite spacer. Now you see three roughly shaped bowls with glued tubes and ebonite spacers. The inner diameter of the tube is 4 mm. That will be the pipe bore diameter. Chambers and bores have been drilled. You may find more about this in my other video. Now I drill the bamboo. Two little holes on the both sides define the axis of drilling. Drill bit diameter is 4 mm. To turn the ends, I put the bamboo on a suitable knitting needle. The end of needle is slightly clamped in the back chuck. That's the mouthpiece side of the bamboo. I will glue here an ebonite ring to strengthen the mortise. Flip it and turn the other end. Done. This is how it looks. Then I glue ebonite rings with epoxy. I use the tape to avoid epoxy to get on the bamboo surface. When the epoxy solidifies, I put bamboo on the knitting needle again to turn the ebonite ring. And another one. Then I widen the bore on both sides from 4 mm to 5 mm. This hole will be the mortise. And this hole is for briar to bamboo connecting tube. And again, I use red marker to mark the drilling depth on the bit. Let's test it. Then I drill a 7 mm hole for the ebonite tenon on the connection tube. The construction will be very strong. And again. The final test. I use epoxy to glue the bamboo. Stainless steel tube is sanded and degreased. And the second pipe. This is a ready-made bowl after sandblasting. I drill a drop of dried epoxy out of the channel with a long 4 mm bit. I do this manually because if the stainless steel inside is heated by thick friction, it will destroy the epoxy. This tube will become the tenon of the mouthpiece. I glue it with epoxy too. This is the ready one. Then I drill the mouthpiece. You may watch it on the other video. Then I sand the bore inside and fit the mouthpiece tenon. And Here is the finished pipe. Thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. New videos will appear soon. You can order a similar pipe on my website, bondarev.lv. There you can see the archive of my works and learn more about my pipes. Have a good smoke!